Hello all of you. Welcome to the course on Advanced Thermodynamics and Molecular Simulations. This course is going to be in two parts. In the first part on Advanced Thermodynamics, we will develop a statistical mechanics framework of the thermodynamics concepts that you have already learned in the undergrad. Basically, we will develop a molecular level understanding of the principles that you have done in the undergrad thermodynamics. In the second part of the course, we will develop the molecular simulation methods, especially the Monte Carlo simulation method and molecular dynamics simulation method, which are used to find the equation of states and the behavior of the materials under considerations. We will also discuss some advanced methods of free energy calculations and some mesoscale simulation methods towards the end of this course. This course is going to be of 12 weeks. We will have 2.5 hours lectures every week and we'll have assignments weekly. We're also going to have an end-term exam that will be proctored in the centers. This course has a prerequisite of undergrad level thermodynamics that chemical engineers must have had in their curriculum, but other disciplines may also have had the same course in their undergrad. Basically, we will recap over the concepts again, so you can always go back to the undergrad thermodynamics whenever you have any confusion. We also need some programming experience in this course, but again, that is not really highly desirable. I will give you some Python examples where we discuss the numerical implementation of the Monte Carlo and molecular dynamics simulation methods, and I will provide you the codes to work with. So with that, I welcome you to the course on Advanced Thermodynamics and Molecular Simulations. Thank you.